I want to thank you for inviting for this great occasion. 2 days ago, I started from US on an aeroplane, and I received a call in the middle of the flight from Dallas to Istanbul. Our vice principal garu called me, and fortunately, I had an internet at the time, and I took the call, and he asked me to attend this ceremony. So I graciously agreed. I want to thank all the organizers for inviting me for this occasion, especially my classmate Dr. Sundarachari and Gymkhana organizers and vice principal and superintendent. This is a very important day for all of you who are taking whiteboard today. I was in the same position in 1981. At the time, we didn't have any whiteboard ceremony. It was not existed in the entire world. This whiteboard ceremony started in 1993 by Arnold Gold at Cornell University. And then it spread all over the current world. And in India, Gymkhana took initiative like 7 to 8 years ago to implement the same whiteboard ceremony in GMC, especially by our Gymkhana president, ex-president Dr. Ravi Kumar Tripurane. Fortunately, Telecultural Foundation donating money for this ceremony, whiteboard ceremony, for so many years. And thank you, T.K. Rao garu, for the sponsoring this event. As you know, to get into medical school is not an easy task. There's so much sacrifice you've gone through, and you achieved that. And this is not your only effort. This is the effort for so many people, especially your parents' sacrifice, your teachers, and so many people sacrificed to reach this stage. I want to give a big round of applause to the families of the students who are getting whiteboard ceremony today. Without our parents' support, we wouldn't be here today. So each of you need to have a commitment when you want to be a doctor. You know, this is not an easy commitment. You have to sacrifice your life. Patient comes before your family. You have to struggle hard and to achieve this goal. This is very noble profession. And not many people get satisfaction in any profession except as a doctor. When you accomplish something, if you cure something, that satisfaction is immense. I faced so many years like that during my practice. I was a retired gastroenterologist. I practiced 25 years. I retired early for various reasons, and I still admire the noble profession like us, medicine. If I had to do again, I'll do the medicine again. And during this time, you will face so many obstacles. You may be very anxious too, how this 4 or 5 years is going to be. It's not going to be a cakewalk. You have to work hard day and night. At the same time, you need to spend some time in the sports or watching movies. In those days when we are studying, almost 10-hour days, we used to go to this second show movies, most of the time, 2-3 movies per week. So that is the enjoyment those days. Nowadays, you guys have a lot of avenues for enjoyment. Make sure you You play sports or whatever you like. At the same time, work hard to achieve your goals. We learn from the textbooks, and then we go to the third year clinicals, we learn from the patients. All this learning you do today is going to be helpful for the rest of your life. Without this strong foundation, we cannot be a good doctor. I still think Gutturmil College has a long history. We have so many great doctors come from this college. I believe we have so many Padma Shris awarded to the single college in the entire country. Like people like Dr. Gokhale Garu, Gopi Chand Garu, Naidamma Garu, so many people. Even our Jay Prakash Narayan Garu is also from Gutturmil College. So it has a history. In 2005 or somewhere, I heard GMC is going to lose recognition because lack of facilities. At the time, I decided to give back to the community, where I studied for almost for free. I did not pay any tuition or anything here, very nominal those days. And due to lack of PG seats, we decided to go to the abroad for further studies. I always felt bad studying for free here, not serving our country. That's why I want to do something back to the community, our college. So we started the Millennium Block, which became a pillar of GGH Hospital now. And then Gymkhana took over. Due to the facilities, people like our principal Sundaracharya Garu and other eminent professors, they were able to bring so many PG seats to the GGH. We give him a big round of applause to our principal and our Superintendent Garu, who are working day and night to bring more seats to the college. Here I have to tell you the story about our principal Sundaracharya. We started on October 1st, 1981, and we became because of our names Venkata, we became body mates in the anatomy lab. Since then, we are in a competitive mode starting from day one. I didn't compete with all the other top students in our class. I competed only with Sundaracharya. Some exams he used to score more than me, some exams I used to score more than him. So he is such a great human being. You are very, very fortunate to have him as a principal. For great Gutturmil College. Although he is very approachable and very soft, but if you don't follow any rules, he will be after you. I know that. But he is such a. Those days we are not easy to get into approach to the principal. But now he will take all your suggestions. He will work day and night for the betterment of our Gutturmil College. And it's going to be #1 in our state with addition of our 100 crore project taken up by Gymkhana, Kanuri MCH, Kanuri Gymkhana MCH block. Which will be inaugurated in 2025. And by the time you will be clinical students, you can use that facility. We are planning to add another 2 more floors on Padilla building, which is almost finalized. It will going to start soon. By the time you will be 30 years, you can enjoy those facilities. And I have to tell you about Gymkhana achievements. Gymkhana is nothing but GMC alumni of North America. We are working very hard to give back to our alma mater. As you know, in 1994, it started with one Xerox machine by Dr. Kanuri Daskar. And then, so many people donated hard-earned money to get back good facilities for our GMC and GGH. Today, Sundaracharya Garu mentioned Gymkhana mainly focused on GGH, and he wants us to focus on GMC also. In my mind, both are important. So he needs to request Gymkhana what he needs, and I will inform our alumni. He said he went to the hostel last night. He had dinner there, and he didn't feel good about that. He wants to improve the hostel, and I'm sure with the help of the donors, private donors, he will improve the GMC. As you know, GMC started in 1946 with 50 students, and then subsequently increased to 150. By the time I started, they cut down to 125. Now we have 250 students. This has all happened because of all the efforts of Gymkhana, because they provided facilities at GGH and GMC. Now we need to increase the classrooms for all of you, and Sundaracharya Garu is working hard to improve the classrooms. And once you graduate, I'm sure one of you may be a Padma Shri, one of you may be President of India, who knows? The sky is the limit. You need to advance in your career, dedicate, and give back to the alma mater, that is our GMC and GGH. And again, once again, I thank you, all the organizers, for inviting me for this great occasion. And I want you to be successful in your career. But if you all need anything, please approach Gymkhana. We are here to help you all to improve the facilities here. Thank you very much.